Okay guys, so real quick, I want you to go below this video, hit this button right here, and hit these buttons right there, hit save, nice. Hey, what's up guys, Jake from Casual Ecommerce, and this is going to be a pretty quick video, kind of spur of the moment. I was just thinking about it and I wanted to bring this topic to light, and what I want to get into is a dangerous mindset that a lot of people have when they're getting into Shopify or pretty much any type of online business. Actually, I want to go over a dangerous mindset that a lot of people have, that if you have this mindset, you might as well go ahead and just quit and throw in the towel, because you're not going to be able to get anywhere with this type of thinking. So what I wanted to get into is the mindset of treating online business, e-commerce, Shopify, like it's some type of hobby, or you're not taking it seriously, or you go in with the mindset of, oh, well, I'm going to see if this works, and if it doesn't, then whatever. And if you go in with this type of mindset, then it's pretty much 100% not going to work. And why is this? Because you're not really going all in. You're not really putting forth the maximum amount of effort it's going to take to be able to succeed. So the point I'm trying to make is drop shipping and e-commerce isn't just some scheme or tactic that you use to make a few bucks here and there. It's an actual business model. So when you're getting into this, you need to go in with the mindset that you're actually starting and creating an actual business. So if you don't want to actually become an entrepreneur and be in business for yourself, then you might as well just stop right now, because I know a lot of people advertise this as like, side income, side hustle. And, that's true. You can do it on the side, but you still have to put in a ton of effort and commit to being an actual business owner. So what does that mean? That means, changing your overall mindset and your core beliefs in general on some things, because business owners, successful entrepreneurs, they think about things differently than most people. They think about money differently than most people. So if you're not willing to, do other things like, read books, watch videos and learn from other entrepreneurs and change your overall mindset, and then commit to a certain business model for the long haul, then you might as well just go ahead and throw in the towel right now. Because when you get into a business model, any business model, not just drop shipping, you're going to be competing against the vast majority of people are going to be not serious, and they're going to last a month and then they're going to quit. But the people that are actually succeeding are going to be entrepreneurs, actual business owners that, have the right mindset. They're hungry. They're willing to put in the work. They're committed. This isn't like oh, I hope this works out thing. This is, I'm going to make this work type thing. So those are the type of people that you're competing with when it comes to actually making money. So you have to go in with that same hungry shark-like mindset that, I'm going to start and I'm going to commit to this until it works. You're not going to go in saying, well, I hope this works. You're going to go in and say, I'm going to do this until it works. So I'm going to cut it off right there. I don't want to go on a huge ramble. I just wanted to quickly put that out there that, if you're not willing to actually commit to becoming an entrepreneur, like changing yourself as a person to become a business owner, to become a successful business owner, then you might as well just quit right now. Because so many people come into this thinking that it's going to be easy. Like, no, being in business for yourself is way harder than having a job, unless you're like a rocket scientist or something. So being in business is going to be harder, not easier. So if you're getting into this because you think it's going to be easier money than working whatever your job is now, then you might as well just quit, because it's not going to be easier. It's going to be harder, but obviously the rewards and the upsides are higher. So of course, the harder something is, usually the higher the rewards are going to be. So with that being said, if you really want to have success with e-commerce and drop shipping, then you need to commit not only to learning how to do that, but learning how to become an entrepreneur and gaining the business owner mindset. So changing some of your core beliefs around money and things like that, so that way you can actually commit to something and decide that I'm going to stick to this until it works. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Also, quick pro tip, if you're looking for a couple of books to get started reading to change your mindset, I really like these 4. I got some more over there and some more stowed away other places, but start out with these 4. They're pretty good.